Okay, let's go.
Hello Plonkers, Daft Scots Lass here, and today I'm giving you an update of my Dukan diet en route to the shops. Dukan diet day 45, and I have now lost a total of 9.1 kilograms, which is probably about 20 pounds in about 6 weeks. Still sticking to the programme. Every now and then I'll get my wine on, and I'll limit then my food intake on the days that I do have my wine. So it's going really well. I'm hanging in there. I'm doing lots of exercise, a gym, at least 5 times a week. I try and go every day, but it doesn't always happen. It is the Homemakers Expo at the Coca-Cola Dome next week, which means really hectic work for me. I'm going to be off-site, out of the office at the Coca-Cola Dome for most of the week next week. Long hours, lots of running around, trying to build up an entire show. It takes at least 3 days to build up the show, and it's amazing how the whole thing comes together, from an empty venue, from nothing to 660 gorgeous stands, and we've probably got about 80 new exhibitors this year, so it's going to be a fresh show, it's going to be new, it's going to be exciting. There's lots of feature areas where they are going to talk about the latest trends in the home improvement industry, so it's really going to be quite a different show this year. So be sure to come and visit us at the Homemakers Expo at the Coca-Cola Dome from the 23rd to the 26th of February. If you want to pop in and say hello, I'll be at the organiser's office or just generally hanging around. I wanted to tell you about one other thing. I'm doing a project called the Jock project, and Jock is from a blogger called Jeanette who lives in France. Jeanette wants Jock, her wee dog, to travel South Africa, and the only way that Jock is going to travel South Africa is if some of my fellow South African bloggers join me in sending Jock around South Africa, which means photographing him in places close to your home, maybe someplace famous or someplace that you like to go regularly, someplace that you maybe like to go and eat out, or even just around your house. So if you want to sign up for the Jock project, I've finished my half of the deal, so now I'll have to send it on to another blogger who will take Jock to some special places near them. So if you want to take part in the Jock project, email me at info@redpepper.za.net, or leave a comment on my blog, or leave a comment on my Twitter, or leave a comment on my YouTube. Get in contact with me somehow and I'll send Jock on to you. Just remember that you have to be a South African blogger for this. It's a South African project that Jeanette's doing. She works with children. She wants to teach children in France about South Africa, and she'll upload it on a blog which she started specifically for this project. I think it's a great cause, so get involved. Email me and I'll send you Jock, and if I don't send you Jock, the blogger that takes over for me will send it to you. So there'll be like a chain of bloggers getting involved. Yeah, what else can we say, Megan?
I don't know.
I think that's about it for us, hey?
Yes.
Have you got a joke to tell them?
No.
Oh wait, tell them that knock knock joke.
Oh.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
No, what's the other way around? You say,
Okay, knock knock.
who's there?
I wanna
poo.
then go poo.
Definitely my daughter. Anyway, so that's it from us today. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye. Hey Plonker, what's brown and sticky?
I don't know, what's brown and sticky?
A stick.
Oh God.